Hello and welcome. One of the most common digital accessibility issues found in Canvas is having a PDF document that is scanned but not OCRed. And this is considered a severe issue from Ally and Panorama. OCR means optical character recognition. It is text that can be read by a computer. This is very important to make your PDF accessible and able to be read by screen readers. I'm going to go into my Canvas and I have a document that I made as an example. And a way to test if something is OCR'd or not is to try to click and highlight the words. I'm clicking and dragging and nothing is being highlighted. So this document is not accessible. It is not OCR. A way to quickly fix that is to go into Acrobat. I have opened my file in Adobe Acrobat. So if I can click and drag in Adobe Acrobat, it doesn't highlight the way I need it to. Under all tools, I can look for scan and OCR, or I can find the convert tab and find it under there as well. So I'll click it from there. Under recognize text, so recognize text in Adobe Acrobat means to OCR. I will click in this file and then click recognize text. And now that that is done, I can click and highlight the words. And if I go back to Canvas, where I have uploaded my saved document, I can now click and highlight, which means I have properly OCR'd the document.